Name's Rich Thompson. I'm the manufacturing engineering instructor at the Windham Regional Career Center. Teach two classes, uh, advanced manufacturing and engineering 1 and 2. Manufacturing 1, we get these kids in here. We start off making toolboxes. Uh, and what they do here is they keep all their stuff in it throughout the course of the year. We go right into manual machining. By the end of the year, they're writing G code and they're running the vertical machining center and they're doing stuff on CNC machines. Then when they get into manufacturing 2, if they take it for the second year, they get more advanced CNC work, more advanced handwriting G code, and we introduce some CAM systems to it. In the manufacturing 1 class, we also hit CAD with the Autodesk Inventor. These guys design their own parts and they manufacture them. A lot of the stuff just as long as it sticks to the criteria of what I have to teach them, they can make up their own and design their own parts and actually design them to concept right up to manufacturing them. We hit a little bit of robotics during the course of the year, and we hope to, being remote this year, we hope to be participating in a competition with that. And overall, I think these guys have fun.
Alrighty, so this is Autodesk, and this is the program we use to make our designs and make our prints and drawings. And so at my home computer, I use this to make a micrometer, which is a manufacturing tool. Alright, so these are little mini circuit boards we used. So in this project, we learned how to read schematics and solder. And yeah, so these are pretty annoying to make some sounds. Let's see if I can get it to go. Oh gosh. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty much it.